Feeling stuck and wasting time instead of crushing your goals? Let me show you 4 simple hacks to beat procrastination quickly and for good if you start using them. 1. Follow the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. Whether it's replying to an email or putting away your laundry, just knock it off. Small wins create momentum. 2 big projects feel heavy and brain gets overwhelmed. Our brain needs clarity. That's why we avoid them. Instead, break tasks into micro steps. Don't write a report. Just open a Google Doc and write the title. Once you start, momentum keeps you going. Anka 3. Grab your phone and switch on the airplane mode and set a 10-minute timer and tell yourself, I'll just work until this timer ends. Often, you'll continue even after it rings because starting is the hardest part. 4. Visualize and feel the relief that you will feel after completing that nagging task you are putting off. This feeling will motivate you to start on it. Remember, procrastination isn't about laziness. It's about overwhelm. Maybe you don't know where to start, or maybe your brain is telling you this is too much work for tasks that you are putting off or delaying. Use these hacks to outsmart your brain. Now pause this video and start your 10-minute timer. Go. If procrastination is stealing your hours from your today, it's stealing your life from future. So go start now.